Hello students, now we'll go to the experiment number 3, that is measurement of resistance and inductance of a choke coil using the 3 voltmeter method. Right. So here the aim of the experiment is to measure the resistance and inductance of a choke coil by 3 voltmeter method. This is the aim of the experiment. Right. Now next, apparatus required for this experiment is choke coil is required, 230 volts 0.39 amperes, 1 ammeter 0 to 1 or 2 amperes, moving iron 1 voltmeter 0 to 300 volt, moving iron 3, single phase auto transformer 230 volt 10 amperes 1, and rheostats 1.145 ohms and 2/2.8 amperes 1. Right. Also some connecting wires you can use for the connecting the circuit. Right. Now let us move to the circuit diagram of this experiment. So circuit diagram of the experiment is as per the apparatuses. You take this apparatus auto transformer and connect it across the supply, that is 230 volt AC supply, phase and neutral. After connecting it from this, you take from the auto transformer, you connect it to the rheostat, that is of 145 ohm / 2.8 amps, and from the rheostat you connect it to the ammeter of 0 to 1 amperes, moving iron. Next it is connected to the choke coil of 230 volts 0.39, and again it is back connected to the neutral. Now the 3 voltmeters are used here as per the circuit diagram. So one is across the supply, that is Vs is named, that is 0 to 300 volt Mi, and one more is Vr, it is across the rheostat 0 to 300 volt Mi, and one more is the last one is the Vl 0 to 300 volt Mi, it is across the load. So hence it is named as Vl, Vr and Vs. So this is about the circuit diagram. Next we go to the procedure. So what is the procedure for this? Procedure is, first connection should be made as per the circuit diagram. Initially keep the auto transformer in minimum position, means should ensure that it should be in 0 position. Next switch on the main supply. Okay. Now what you do is, next step is apply the voltage by using auto transformer until what happens, until you observe in the ammeter device it should flow the rated current of the choke coil, that is 0.39. so that is the thing you have to do, and you have to apply that much voltage. Then you have to note down the readings from all the voltmeters and ammeters, right? And after that you bring the auto transformer to the original position, or bring the auto transformer to the original position and switch off the main supply. Now draw the phasor diagram as per the readings of the voltmeters. Now calculate the resistances and inductances of the choke coil. This is the procedure for this experiment. Now next is you can have the calculation part here. Power factor we need to calculate. Before that you need to see the tabulation here. Tabulation is Vs, Vr, Vl and I. You have to note it down from the circuit diagram, right? So just note it down for the one reading, and you can have many readings for different current rating of the choke coil. Now power factor is, formula is Vs square minus Vr square minus Vl square divided by 2 Vr Vl. Here you measure the power factor using these readings. After measuring the power factor, use it to measure the resistance, that is Vl cos theta by I. You can measure here resistance. After that use this cos theta value and find out sin theta and evaluate XL for this. XL is equal to VL sin theta by I. So this will give you XL. So already we have calculated resistances, that is first aim, and next is inductance. L is equal to XL by 2 pi F. F is a 50 Hz frequency, and XL whatever you have evaluated here. This is the calculation part. Phasor diagram is, Vs is our main source, so Vs is nothing but Vl plus Vr. So this is the representation of vector diagram for this voltages or different voltages. So this is experiment number 3. That is, after that you evaluate the results, that is resistance of R and ohms, inductance of choke coil in L, and finally you can evaluate the conclusion. You can write the conclusion. Next is you can write the Viva questions and answer for them, and the conduction part of this experiment is in the next video.